What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Cobbler G here. Today we've got a holy shoe. So Loake Braemar, we're going to be doing a full Dainite sole and heel and a re-weld, so let's get to it. Okay, welcome back. Let's get started guys. As you can see here, this giant hole that he's got in his sole. Basically what's happened is he had sole protectors on, and over time the water has just got trapped underneath them and it's just eating away at all the leather. So this is the leather sole part. He's got the midsole in here somewhere, and then it's right through down to the cork. So we're going to break this down and then build it back up. Okay guys, first port of call, we're going to be removing this top lift. These shoes have been reheeled before, they've not been resoled, so it's original soles that are on them. Okay guys, so for easy removal of the sole, I'm going to grind it on the machine using this band here. We're just going to rough up and cut up where all the old stitches are and then pull the old sole off. And that's all the broken stitches here. So it should just come off quite easy now. Now we're left with the midsole, but again this is crumbling away, so we're going to have to remove and replace this. So I'm just punching through these old nails and going to remove them from the inside. Got a handy wee tool punch here. See if we can get this off in one piece. So yeah, old cork. Gonna be putting in a nice fresh layer. Okay, so that's our shoe broken down. I just need to remove the old welt stitches, but I just wanted to show you something before I went. This is a 270-degree welted shoe, meaning that the welt only comes to this part on the heel here. It misses stitching on the back, but with this design, Loake have seemed to make it a 360 welt by stitching on the rand. So basically the stitch runs all the way around. Instead of it stopping here, it runs on the rand as well, so it gives a 360 look. Okay, now it's time to re-welt the shoe. So I want to show you a couple of different types of welt leather that we get in. So on the left here we've got just a flat welt, and you see the difference between this one on the right. This is called a storm welt. So there's an extra little rib of leather, it just runs all the way down the welt and adds a little bit of a nice different characteristic to the shoe. So when that's stitched on, you can see it leaves a rib that runs around the whole shoe there. It originally was a storm welt that was on it, so that's what we're going to be reusing. Okay. So now we're going to attach the rubber midsole. And now time for the sole. So in order for us to get these pegs all lined up, just need to be very careful when we're putting it on. I think I'm going to go from the front. Let's get groovy. So we're going to groove a channel for the stitching to lie in using the groover tool here. Time to get the pitch of the shoe. So what we've got here is our new heel top and our new heel block. So what we're going to be doing here is just cutting at an angle so this can sit on a lot better. Done. Okay, so before I attach the heel block to the shoe, I'm just going to colour in here with some black ink. We do this before we put it on the shoe because once it's on the shoe, it's hard to get to that area without scuffing up the new sole. So we've just got a wee little bit of black ink here. And we're just going to colour that. I'm just going to use the brushes just to brush it down and make it nice and smooth. little bit of black ink just on the heel area here and run it around the sole. Now using the brushes, just going to brush that off to a nice smooth finish. Okay, so we've got these wee threaded nails here, and we're going to be just putting these into the heel top. There's already little holes for them, so we're just going to smack them in. So they're sitting just at the top of the now, so I'm just going to use a little punch tool to punch it right down so it's hidden. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop the rest of these in. Okay guys, that's us done with another project. Thanks again so much for tuning in. So for this, we ripped everything off, right down to the bare bones, and we bopped on a new welt and a new Dainite sole and heel. So yeah, drop a little comment, let me know what you think about the job. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Please hit subscribe. Until the next one, peace!